News that's coming in at the moment from the national capital now. There has been now a threat that has been given to schools in the national capital. Multiple Delhi schools have received bomb threats. The police, along with the bomb squad, they have been rushed to these schools. Students and the staff has been evacuated safely. Search is going on in the school premises. The search at the moment is underway. My colleague Shreya Chatterjee is now joining me on the story. Shreya, unfortunately, we have seen over the past few months how this actually has become a norm. It's not just schools, we have also seen how other institutions also have been getting these threats. At the moment, not one but many schools is now getting this bomb threat. The police, we believe, and the bomb squad, they have rushed to the schools.
Well, absolutely, Aishwarya. There have been bomb threat calls given to at least 3 schools in the national capital today. It's continuing as a part of the ongoing trend that's almost on for the last year. It's not just this year. We saw the similar trend continuing last year as well. One school was in Dwarka, one in Najafgarh, and the other one in the Mehrauli region is what we're given to understand. Search operations were conducted as per protocols with bomb squad, DFS and Delhi police. All the calls have now been announced as hoax calls. It was actually via email that these bomb threat calls were issued, but clearly these hoax bomb calls is now turned into a menace for Delhi police every day. It's also important to point out that it is a time when these schools are also undergoing the regular examination schedule, thereby disrupting the same.
Right, Shreya, please stay on with me. We've got some more news that is coming in from the national capital. In the national capital, there has been an encounter that has taken place between the police and the Gogi gang. 3 criminals have been apprehended in this encounter. Criminals Lalu, Irfan, they have been injured in the encounter. Criminals were trying to flee the spot when the firing was done by the policemen. Criminals shot in the leg by the police, they have been nabbed now. This is an encounter that took place between Delhi police personnel and the Gogi gang shooters. This took place in Rohini in the national capital. My colleague Shreya is still with me on the story. Shreya, we understand 3 criminals, they have been apprehended. Now, this was following an encounter. 2 of them have been injured.
Well, absolutely. You know, this was done by the crack team of Rohini district. It was as per a call that was received about a firing that happened in one of the residences of the Goraksha Dal members in the Rohini area. One of the prominent leaders had got the firing threats is what we're given to understand. Subsequently, when the crack team reached there and they actually carried out this entire combing operation, 3 members of the Gogi gang in that encounter have been nabbed. Clearly, this is a part of the larger ongoing operations that the Delhi police is right now conducting across the national capital to actually tame the gangsters in a separate effort. We've also seen the southeast district of the Delhi police in Operation Aghat also cordon off many members in the gangster radar. So clearly Delhi police once again seems to be active so far as breaking the active membership of the gangs operating in the NCR region is concerned.
Thank you, Shreya, giving us all those details.